Lincoln is equipped with a latch system that may make securing your child seat easier and could keep your child safe in the case of an accident too. You'll know that your child seat can be used with the latch system when you see either two rigid attachments with metal connectors or two flexible straps with metal hooks on your child's seat that can be connected to the lower anchors in your vehicle's seat, as well as a belt strap with a metal clip that's attached to the top tether anchor located at the top back portion of the seat. Let me show you how it works. The latch system consists of 3 anchor points to secure your child's seat. The 2 lower anchors in the seat bight, where the back and the seat cushion meet, and a top tether anchor on either the back of the seat or behind it. Attach the metal connectors on the bottom of your child's seat to the anchors and tighten the straps. Then tug the child seat from side to side and forward and back where it is secured to your vehicle. The seat should move less than 1 inch. Once you've installed your child seat with the lower anchors of the latch system, attach the top tether strap under the head restraint by lifting the base of the head restraint and then tightening the strap, or over the top of the head restraint if it's not adjustable or removable.